This is Miss Vanessa. Welcome to SIPPS lesson number 23. All right, for the first part of our lesson, we're going to do spelling sound relationships. This is our first one. This spelling sound relationship says R. Read. R. Good. As in the word art or the word car. R. This spelling sound relationship we've seen before. It is E. Read. E, as in three or tree. This spelling sound relationship is also E. EA together says E, as in eat or read. Read. E. Good. This is our long E vowel sound followed by the silent E at the end of a word. So this also says E. Read. Good. E. This is our long A sound. A followed by a consonant and a silent E at the end says A, makes the vowel long. A. Read. Good. This is our long I sound, followed by a silent E. The I is long. Ready? I. I. Good. Long O. Silent E makes the O long. Long O. Ready? O. O. This is our long U sound. When a U has a consonant and a silent E, it can say oo or you, as in mute or flute. Ready? Oo or you. Good. All right, for the next part of our lesson, we are going to read a mixed list of words and syllables. We're going to start over here first. Here's our AR, which means the word is art. Ready? Next word. Think, read, peel. There's an EA there. There's an AR here. Think, read, card. Here's our double E's. We know that says E. Ready? Think, read, real. Here's an A and a silent E at the end. Long vowel. Ready? Think, read, care. Here's AR again. Ready? Think, read, harm. Good. Now over here, these are syllables. I see AR here. So think, read, gar. Double E's here. Think, read, deem. Here's AR. Think, read, par. Think, read, rel. Good. All right. For our morpheme transformations, I have two words here. These are the base words, so the words we start with, and then we're going to change them by adding things to either the beginning or end, and that changes the meaning of the word. This is the first one we're going to start with. This word is prevent. All right, so I'm going to add to the word prevent. I added the suffix ed. Ed. Put it with prevent. Prevented. The word is prevented. When you add ed to a word, it means it happens in the past. Prevent means to stop something from happening. So it happened in the past. I prevented the ball from going into the street. All right. The next change I'm going to make is adding the suffix ing. Read. Ing. Prevent. Ing. Preventing. When you add ing, it means something is happening right now. All right. Next change I'm going to make I added the ending able. Able. Preventable. Preventable. All right, last change. I added the suffix shun. Shun. Prevention. Prevention. All right. For our word over here, this word is improve. Improve means to get better at something, right? You're going to notice that the E at the end of improve will change as we change the word, okay? So the first ending we're going to add is just a D at the end. So now this is D, D, right? ED can say D. All right. Improved, improved. All right. Next change we're going to make the same one as before. Ing, 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 improving. All right, the last way we're going to change this word, we're going to keep the ed, but we're also going to add a prefix at the beginning. This is un. Let's add it to improved. Unimproved. When you add un to a word, it means not. Okay. All right, for the next part of our lesson, we are reading syllables, sight syllables. Okay, this is a new sight syllable. This syllable is meter. Read, meter. Good. As in centimeter. Meter, to measure. Next one. This is ist. Read, ist. It means someone who does. So, artists. Artists do art. Dentists. Dentists work with teeth. Ist. All right, this is ab. Read. Ab. This comes at the beginning of some words like absent and abbreviate. All right, this syllable is pend. Read. Pend. Like depend or independent. This sight syllable is try. Try. Read. Try. Good. As in triangle or tricycle, meaning 3. This syllable is pour. Read. Pour. As in porpoise or porcupine. Both of those are animals. All right, this is an irregular sight syllable. Read. Good. This is the sight syllable bull. Bull. It comes at the end of words most of the time. Bull. This is a sight syllable we know. This is shun. Read. Shun. Good. All right, now we're going to be reading words by syllable. I will type out the first syllable and we will read it. I will type the next syllable and we will read it. We will also try for the whole word. All right. Our first syllable is going to be, all right, go ahead and read that one. Liz. Now this one is a schwa, so it's erd. Liz, erd. Try for the whole word. Lizard. All right, next one. Read. This is a schwa, so it doesn't say a, it says a. Sleep. Sleep. Whole word. Asleep. Good. Another schwa. This a is going to say so the syllable is pa. Next syllable. Raid. Long vowel here. Parade. Put it together. Parade. All right, next word. This is up. So it's the schwa, up. I see an EA here, so I know that's E. Up, pier. Up, pier. Whole word. Up here. First syllable. Gar. Good, there's the AR. Next syllable. Den. Garden. Put it together. Garden. Good. First syllable. Call. Next syllable. Lure. Put it together. Collar. Good. That is the part of your shirt near your neck. Your collar. First syllable. Long E. Pre. Vent. A. Bull. Preventable. Preventable. All right. All right. We're going to try for some more. Try that one. Bear. Roll. Barrel. Put it together. Barrel. It's like a big container. A barrel. All right. Try for this one. Now I see an AR. In this one, it's going to say air. It's not going to say R. So it's pear. Parrot. Put it together. Parrot. Like a bird. It's a kind of bird. All right. The next part of our lesson. We're going to try reading entire words. So I'm going to type the word out and we're going to try to read it. All right, for our first word. How many consonants between the vowels? I see an A and an E. I see one consonant here. So we get to choose, right? We can put the dot here after the consonant like that. Pepper. Pepper. If that word doesn't make sense, we can move the dot to the other side and separate it here. Now let's try it. Paper. Paper. That's a word we know. So that word is paper. All right. Next word. Let's try it this way. Cleaver. Whole word. Cleaver. Let's try this way. Now, if I put the dot here, what word is this? Clever. Clever. We know clever. That's a sight we use. It also means to be very smart. All right, let's try the next word. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, I'm going to put the dot here. Let's try. Explore. Whole word. Explore. All right, next word. All right. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to put the dot right here before we read. Let's try. Unit. Whole word. Unit. All right. All right, I see two consonants between our vowels, the U and the E. So we're going to go ahead and put our dot right here in the middle. Ready? Puppet. Whole word. Puppet. Great job, friends. All right. For the last part of our lesson, as you know, this is your time to go get some paper. Go ahead and number it 1 through 5. You can pause the video while you get your paper and pencil. All right, welcome back. All right, for the first word we're going to spell. The word is action. Action. All right, so for the first part, I hear ack, ack. Go ahead and write your first part there. Ack. All right, now shun. Shun, we know that's our irregular sight syllable. That's our irregular sight syllable. It's up here. Right here is our irregular sight syllable, shun. So let's put that on the end of our word, action. 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 Check your work. All right. The next word is deliver. 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 So what's the first syllable you hear? D. D. Live. Live. And then we know that is our irregular sight syllable, and we know it's spelled like that. Deliver. Like that. Check your work. Zero. Number 3 is zero. 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 What do you hear? Zero. First syllable. Next syllable. Zero. Check your work. All right, number 4. Discuss. Discuss. First syllable you hear. Dis. Cuss. Discuss. Cuss. I hear cuss like that. There is an extra S. It is spelled with 2 S's. Discuss. All right, check your work on number 4. All right, last one. The word is motion. Motion. For the first syllable, mo. Mo. What do you hear? What 2 sounds? Mo. Good. Mo. And then shun. Just like action up here. We're going to use the same syllable spelling like that. T-I-O-N. T-I-O-N. Motion. Motion. Check your work. All right, friends, great job today. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again soon.